It's not every weekend that I get to have alone time with my daughter. We start off with ballet. Of course, she has to do all her chores, bringing trash cans. But it just got more magical the longer it went on. Driving her to school, reading together every night, snuggling with me while the wife and the kid are gone. Of course, I have to immediately go to chaos and anarchy. Every day is an adventure, and that's the goal. So we're sleeping outside on top of the Land Cruiser. We're hopping on the Colorado River from Barton Springs and looking for turtles and fish. But like making these memories and stuffing pineapple with fried rice. I love these kids.